All right, beautiful people, welcome to yet another episode. In this episode, we want to discuss the topic: why is your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, why is he or she losing interest in you? You know, quite often you see that you are with a partner, you are with a girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever, and the person is losing interest in you. And the question is, why is he or she losing interest in me? And I give you some of the reasons why they can lose interest in you. The first point is this: you've reduced the number of times that you communicate with them. Of course, the driving wheel of communication, of relationship, is communication. So if you reduce the number of times that you communicate with a partner, they are likely or they are sure to start losing interest in you. So you make sure that you always have good conversations with them and converse with them many times, and that will definitely help you, in terms of them having interest in you. Another thing that can make your partner lose interest in you is this: that you are cheating on them. Of course, you don't expect that when you cheat on them, they will still have interest in you or they will still like you. Nobody likes cheating, men and women. If you cheat on them, continue cheating on them, then it's going to be very difficult for them to still keep having interest in you. So that is something that we need to look at. No cheating, and they will have more interest in you. Another thing that can explain why your partner is losing interest in you can be that you are constantly fighting with them. You are almost always fighting with them. And if you are with a partner who is always fighting you, how can you have interest in them? How can you still keep liking them when they are fighting with you? They become your fighting partner. So to increase interest, in you and make them like you the more, you have to stop fighting with them, having many conflicts with them, and that will be the sure way for them to have interest in you. For the fact that the partner is losing interest in you can be that you don't show appreciation for whatever they do for you. Quite often people like to use that trait so that they'll keep doing more and more for you, but that is a very dangerous trait, because if you don't show appreciation for whatever they do for you, then it's going to get hard for them to still have an interest in it. It's like you're someone that he or she can never please. So lack of appreciation can also be another reason why they've lost interest in you. Another point for why they will lose interest in you is that you are setting goals or making future plans without this partner. When your partner starts doing, they tells you that, hey, they are on their own, they are not together with you. But they set goals and make future plans without you. It's all about them. This can also lead to lack of interest or make them have a reduced interest for you in that relationship. Another reason can also be that you are making your partner feel very unimportant in your life. If you make them feel unimportant, then it's going to get hard for them to have interest in you. You have to make them feel important for them to feel like having more and more interest for you. There are so many points for why your partner will lose interest in you. Another reason why your partner will lose interest in you is that you are changing physically. Physical changes in your body can definitely be one of the reasons why he or she is losing interest in you. So both men and women, we have, the body that we saw that attracted us in the first time. Now, if they are with you and they see that you are changing physically to the body state that they don't like, then they are going to lose interest in you. So what it means is that we need to take care of our bodies so that our partners will still keep having interest in us. So this is all the point for why partners lose interest in us. And if we correct them, of course, they will still have more and more interest in us, going forward. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next episode.